Hi guys, welcome back to Super Kitty Ears channel. Today, I am going to be showing you my friend's house because they want me to. So, anyways, let's get started. Well, I'm waiting. Aeroplane propeller. Well, I'm just waiting. Yeah, waiting. Taking forever. Finally. Anyways, I will follow you, ma'am. Madame, Vance Joyce as well. She went for a fancy theme, I see. Bubbles wash away the troubles. The dining room, I'm guessing. Eat, love, laugh. Hello. Is that the fridge? I've never known that futuristic fridges give you water. Like, not that water. Whatever. Okay, then, got your kitchen where you cook. You got your house, some butterflies. This is like where you read, right? Am I wrong? Piano. I'm surprised that my water isn't spilling on the piano. Aw, I try to spill water on your piano because I'm jealous of it. It's more. Disco ball. This is the pool party. Get ready. I'm about to use something awesome. Best thing on earth. This. Go on, Kitsune, you can do it. It's the end of the party. Well, next is to the pineapple bar, I guess. Hey, can I order something? Can I have something, please? Oh, okay, you're gonna be the customer, then I'll just take some free snacks. Wait, I can't even get stuff at the pineapple bar? Are you serious? I worked my legs into here just for nothing? Free! Upstairs, I guess. Oh, spa. Spa! Can you stay? I guess. Oh, hello. Hi. Can I get a room booked? Like, can I get a room booked, please? No? No? You're not even giving me a towel? No. How is this supposed to be a spa then? Eh. How does the magic work here? Do your nails here? Okay, nice. Upstairs? No? Is this the cloud room? What's up here? Sauna. Where do I sit? Oh, it's getting really hot in here. Oh, this is the sauna? Oh. Yeah, I have the best acting skills. You totally taught. Oh, it's so hot in here. How do you get smoke? How do you breathe in here? I need to get a shower. Kids get a shower. I get a shower. Good kid, Sam, you're done. Perfect. Hey guys, let's try get this video to at least 100 likes. Thank you. Maybe I'll do more Adopt Me videos then. I don't know. But comment down if you want more. So, where to next? I think this way. Back up the stairs. I'm not gonna expose your secret because I just realized how you did this. I'm not gonna expose your secret to everybody and how you made this sound look like hexagons. Upstairs. First room. Wow. So many unicorns. Is this your unicorn's room? Seriously? This is your unicorn's room? This is a lovely unicorn. Dreams come true. Vance Joyce. Isn't that a name of a singer? Yeah, I know it. Play with fairies, swim with mermaids, ride unicorns. Perfect. Those are the rules in this house. If you come into this room, you have to have those. Okay? You cannot dare to come into this room if you don't have those rules. Why is this window glitching? Whatever. Spare bedroom, okay. Let's go camping. I'm sorry, not right now, Kitsune. Not now, I will after. Okay. Elegant piano. I'm totally playing this right now. I'm playing this right now. I'm done playing that music, but I did beautiful on that piano. Dreams come true. Dream big. Let it go. Let go. Let go of what? Are you saying let it go? Because there's snowflakes. I think she's trying to say let it go. So, well, so far, if there is more, because I've never been in a celebrity mansion, I rate this 10 stars. 10 out of 10. But how long did this take? 2 weeks? What? That's not good. I'm just surprised you made a room for your unicorn. My favorite room is, I actually don't know. Well, guys, so, where did she go? Whatever. Guys, the kitty hero. I think she had this all prepared for when I come. Perfect. Thank you. Well, guys, hope you like this video. Bye, guys.